Okay, my name is Brian from Datatoleads, an advocate data company, and today we are going to go over how you can exclusively generate health insurance leads for around 1 penny. So we go over to our advocate data brokerage account under the Datatoleads agency, and we can see that there are quite a few databases. First thing I want to do is go after my businesses. Businesses tend to be some of the best lead generation for health insurance, particularly U65, more along the lines that everyone is a individual for the most part. So within our business section, you have the ability to try to find people who are sole proprietors. And in almost every instance, if you have one or two employees listed, they're 1099s. So why is 1099 important? Well, they qualify for special enrollment, meaning they can get health insurance at any point during the year, not just open enrollment at the end of the year where people who don't own a business or don't have self-insured coverage will go to. So obviously you want to find someone pretty healthy with money if you're trying to sell them premium health insurance. So I typically find the ballpark range of 45 and 30 works best. And obviously, you have your ability to control the different zip codes, city, state, and the NAICS code. Now, the NAICS code is the industry code. So let me just see if I can recognize one. So this is a law. I think so. You know what? I can actually do one better. Let's go look for doctors. So when we go ahead and look up our code for doctors, 112. And when we navigate back, I can just plop that in nice and easily. And also, I'm doing email marketing, which means I want every single lead to have an email. So just like that, I'm now able to create a fantastic email marketing campaign to doctors between the ages of 30 and 45 who have an email. And if we see, there's 502 unique businesses with an email, and you'll be able to download these however you like, throw them into your email software, plug them into Facebook or Google, do direct ads to these people, and have a good time. So thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. And again, we provide you 1,000 leads every day for 1 penny per lead. Thank you. Bye-bye.